for coming to class today. Oh, I just love having you here. This week we're actually doing 3 letters. This is letter number 2. It is the letter P. Looks like this. So today we're going to do the letter P. All right, let's have a closer look at our letter P. Now, another cool thing, just like C, the upper and lower case look exactly the same. One is big, one is small, one is tall, and one is long down. And we'll see that a little more later when we write it. Now, uppercase P looks like this. We've got a straight line and we have a curvy line, don't we? And the lowercase p looks exactly the same, but it goes low down. We have a straight line and a curvy line, just like that. Let's come a little bit closer and practice writing our letter P. And Miss J brought her sky, grass, dirt sheet again. So let's get that if you have it. Otherwise, get your whiteboard or piece of paper. Ready? All right, to write our uppercase P, we're going to start up in the sky. And we make our straight line down, right into the grass. And then we make a loopy line or a hill that goes all the way through the clouds and comes right at the top of the grass. Okay, let's try that again. Straight line down and around and come back right at the top of the grass. Now, lowercase p is exactly the same thing, but we start in the grass and we go all the way down into the dirt. Whoa! Start in the grass, go all the way down into the dirt. So see how uppercase stays in the sky, grass, lowercase is grass, dirt. And their curvy line stays in the whole grass. So make a big curvy line and stay in the grass. Let's try that one again, shall we? Make your straight line from the grass all the way down into the dirt and make your curvy line stay all the way into the grass, just like that. Now you can keep practicing, which I think is a great idea. See if you can get them nice and neat. See if you can get your line nice and straight. And a nice big curvy line, not too big, just right. And then come on back when you're ready to keep going. Okie doke. Let's have a look at some words that start with the P sound. So again, as always, say the word with me or repeat after me and listen to that very first thing that your lips and your mouth do. Listen to that sound, the very first sound that you make. That's the P sound. So see if you can figure it out. Let's do some words that start with the P. Let's do it. Pen, pen. Pancakes, pancakes. Peanuts, peanuts. Pineapple, pineapple. Pizza, pizza. Police, police. Pool, pool. Okay, how did you do, my dear? How did you do? Did you do great? All right, that was a lot of words. We made a lot of P sounds. P, and when we say P, we actually say the sound that it makes too. At the same sound comes out of our mouth. What do you think? 1, 2, 3. Say it to me. 1, 2, 3. Yes, now, we don't want to say pa, pa. We don't want to make that sound. We just want the shortest, teeniest sound you can make, which is p, p, p. Very good. So we're not saying pa, pa, no. P, p, p. That's the shortest sound that you can make for P. Let's sing our P song and we'll say the P sound. Are you ready? Sing with me if you know the words. Ready? Every letter makes a sound, makes a sound. P says p, 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 p. Every letter makes a sound, makes a sound. P says p, 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 p. You got it. Great work. Now, when I say the p sound, put your hand in front of your mouth And you should feel some air when you do it, okay? So when I go, p, whoa, I can feel that. Did you feel that? Try it. Very good. So you should feel some air when you make the P sound. Feels funny on our hands. So that is the P sound. Great work. See you on the next one.